We have two kinds of cable on PH10 and PH16. One is data cable. This data cable will connect all the LED and communicate each other. We have RJ45 and Cat6, category 6 Cat cable. Okay, and as you can see, there is upside and there is notch down. So you will see the notch from here and notch from here. You must put it upside down. Okay, and insert, just insert. Power. We have the two phase of power. One is female and one is male. You cannot make any mistake because this is big and this is small, as you can see. But
on terminals.
But the terminals is different, and the locks. Okay, you cannot put this one straight forward like this. It will damage the notch. Okay, you must put this one diagonally. As you can see, it's easily insert and then twist clockwise. Same in the female area, AC in, diagonal also, insert and lock. Okay, how about the removing the cables? Removing the cables. Data cable, you can remove easily by pulling out. The power cable, you must know that this will not be pulled out immediately. Okay, don't pull this out immediately. First, you need to shut the power down. Here, you must put this off. Why? Because when this is on and you pull this out directly, it will damage the terminals. You see, this will be burned. So if this will burn, later on you will notice that even though you connect this, there is no power. So you must be aware for this. Next, how to remove from itself. Okay, don't pull it directly because it will damage. There is lock. This yellow tab you must pull out and then twist counterclockwise and then pull out. That's it. Very easy. Okay, pull out the lock and twist counterclockwise, pull out. And same here in the AC in. You cannot pull it out because there is lock. Just unlock the lock and twist counterclockwise and pull it out. This is how the cable and power cable and data cable works.
So what about the home run cables?
Home run cables. This will be the next video.
This is the home run cables.
Home run cables. The difference only for the home run cables is this is long. Okay, and the end of the terminal is directly in the power distribution box. Okay, we will first, you will see here. We must have one. We must have one. You see what is wrong here? There is something wrong here. Okay.
Yeah.
I will show you why. You in place the power cable, okay, in the wrong place. First, you should know that in is from here, not from here. Okay? See? We don't have AC in here.
One missing.
There is one missing cord. Home run cables. Okay? So we must put one home run cables here. Now I will take and we will. Same procedure. You must insert this one diagonally and twist counterclockwise. Lock already and
the other end.
Put it the other end on the power distribution box. As you can see, the terminal is not in the power distribution box.
It's away.
It's not enough.
It's not enough.
Okay, we should adjust, and I will tell you the adjustment later on. Now I will adjust.